Good morning, friends. I'm waiting for a candidate to come for FCI interview, FCI manager interview. I'm expecting that candidate to come for the interview. Yeah, but I think the performance of FCI candidates has not been bad. They are doing very well. And I have posted, I think, minimum 10 videos. I'm not sure. I must have posted so many videos already there. I'm just now talking like this so that I want to gain time so that he can come. That is the reason. But of course, for succeeding in any interview, what is required is only your confidence. You must be able to talk with authority. You must be able to talk with, say, force. And at the same time, you must be able to convey your points. Yeah, I'm waiting for the candidate to come. Yeah. See, actually, when we talk about this FCI, certain thing that comes to my mind is about the people appearing for interview. They must be thorough with about us. They must be thorough with what are the different points given under about us. And in that itself, they should be thorough with objective, board of directors, code of conduct and ethics, citizens charter of FCI. Even reading that will be of use. So likewise, I am of the view that candidates must be thorough with all these things. Yeah, now the boy is the candidate has come and is joined. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Shubham Meena. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I am good, sir. How are you?
Fine. Very good. Happy to see you. Very bright
Same here,
face.
sir.
Very bright face. That too.
Thank you, sir. Thank
The
you.
first session for the day and the morning. Good. Shubham Meena, you are from which state?
Sir, I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur district.
Which part of Rajasthan?
Sir, Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Pink City.
Yeah. Good. Now, as you know, in any interview, आपको this question is a must. Like say, आपका बारे में बोलो, and
Yes, sir.
you have applied for which zone?
Sir, North Zone.
North zone. So your interview is likely to be mostly in Delhi or what? No idea.
Noida.
Noida. Good. तब तो, yeah, 1 minute. I'll just come. I'll just take coffee and 1 minute.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, Noida. So Noida means normally you can always, I mean, it can be in Hindi or English.
Yes, sir.
You can communicate in Hindi or English. Other than that, is there any other language separate in Rajasthan? Rajasthani language, aisa kuch hai?
Yes, sir. There are so many local languages, but they will not be conducting interview in local languages. They will be conducting mostly in English or Hindi.
Hindi only. Good. Now, can
Yes,
you
sir.
please tell me about yourself? Imagine this is a group of 8 or 9 directors from FCI sitting before you, and you
Yes,
talk
sir.
to me introducing yourself.
Sir, there I will be giving interview in Hindi. So shall I proceed in Hindi?
Yeah, absolutely no problem. आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं,
Okay.
कोई चिंता नहीं.
ओके सर. सर मेरा नाम शुभम कुमार मीना है. मैं जयपुर राजस्थान से बिलोंग करता हूँ. मेरे पिताजी का नाम श्री कैलाश नारायण मीना है. वो SBI में ब्रांच मैनेजर है सर. सर मैंने एकेडमिक में काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है. लाइक 12th क्लास में 94% मार्क्स सिक्योर करने के लिए मुझे CBSE से सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ मेरिट मिला. उसके बाद 2016 में सर मैंने बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स से ग्रेजुएशन किया राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी से. उसके बाद सर मैंने कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी करी और फिर मैं अभी यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू के लिए आया.
Excellent. Now, only question is, you are so far you scored 82% in 10th class,
Yes, sir.
and you scored 94% in your what is that, +2. What
Yes,
were
sir.
the subjects you studied in +2?
Sir, major subjects were political science, history, and economics.
Okay. Besides English, and आपने physical education कुछ लिखा, ऐसा भी होता
Yes,
है?
sir.
Physical education
Yes,
also
sir.
is there? Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is also a subject.
Yes, sir.
Physical education consists of only theoretical or practical?
Both, sir. 60-40 ratio.
अच्छा, तो practical में क्या questions देगा आपको?
Sir, we have to select a game. Like my game was basketball, so they will ask from there.
You have to participate in the games.
Yes, sir.
First time, to be very frank, I am in this teaching for so many years. First time I'm hearing physical education as a subject in +2, and that too usko practical test being conducted. Very nice.
Yes,
You are
sir.
really great. So you were interested in basketball.
Yes, sir.
Can you? I'm a layman. I don't know anything about basketball. Basketball, उसका बारे में आप थोड़ा हमको बता सकते हैं? How that game is played? Imagine I have not seen it earlier. You will have to describe that. Yeah.
Okay, sir. सर बेसिकली बास्केटबॉल में आपके पास एक बॉल रहेगा, एक बड़े साइज का, उसके बाद दीवार पे एक रिंग रहेगा, अप टू एक हाइट पे रिंग रहती है, उसके अंदर आपको वो बॉल को डालना है। अगर आप उसमें बॉल को डाल के उस रिंग में से पास हो जाएगा तो आपको पॉइंट्स उसके लिए मिलेगा। जो 2 टीम रहता है, जो ज्यादा पॉइंट स्कोर करेगा वो विनर रहता है।
अच्छा, शुभम मीना, here improvements you can make is, आपने बड़े बॉल बोला, instead you can say what is the measurement of the ball. आप जानने से बढ़िया है.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the rough weight of that ball? Rough. Exactly बोलने का जरूरत नहीं. इसका अलावा you have to tell what is the distance between the two poles. आपको नहीं जानते, I know you don't know. You have not thought, you are not prepared about it. What is the distance between the two poles, and what is the normal height in, say, important matches they keep? At what height this basket is kept? समझ गया?
Right, sir.
These things you have. From which country this basketball game started? Any idea? I think while talking about general awareness, I came across a father of the basketball. There is one who found basketball. He is actually from Canada. He died recently.
Okay.
Perhaps you are not aware about that. I may not be able to tell you immediately. You can get that. Good. Very good. You are talking very confidently. Your subjects were economics, political science, and history also. History also. Achha, you were a bright candidate scoring 80%. Then why did you opt for this arts subject in your +1, +2?
Sir, actually, to be quite frank, like किसी भी जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करने के लिए सर only basic graduation is necessary. So there is not any specific reasons for choosing arts, but I was interested in this subject, so that's why I chose arts.
I think the second answer is better. Instead, you can as well say, though I was scoring above average marks in, say, maths, physics, chemistry and all, मेरा interest था to go for arts. ऐसा बोल दीजिए. I had an interest towards art, and I thought as an individual, one has to know more about arts, and plus with a degree in that also, we are eligible. One is eligible for appearing for any good jobs. So इसलिए I take that. This can be second point.
Okay.
Good. Very good. That's nice. Now, you studied graduation, BA, political science, history, and economics. Same subjects.
Yes.
And there you have scored 65.8 only. What made you score less?
Sir, actually, in university exams, the maximum marks scored will be around 75% only.
Oh, maximum they give you only 75.
Yes, sir.
That's right. That is the reason why you have scored very less. It's okay. कोई बात
Yes,
नहीं.
sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, Sharma, um, tell us about your family. आपका family के बारे में बताओ.
सर मेरी फैमिली में मेरे पिताजी हैं, वो एसबीआई में ब्रांच मैनेजर हैं. माय मदर इज हाउस मेकर. वी आर 2 ब्रदर्स एंड 2 सिस्टर्स. मेरी बड़ी बहन है, उन्होंने एमएससी किया है. छोटी बहन ने सर बीटेक किया है. और मेरा छोटा भाई है, उन्होंने भी बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट से भी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट किया है 2019 में.
Excellent. Good. Now normally bankers का लड़का लड़की वो लोग बैंकिंग में भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेंगे. आप एफसीआई
sir.
में आपको क्यों इंटरेस्ट लेने का? What is the reason?
सर पर्सनली आई डोंट लाइक बैंकिंग काइंड ऑफ जॉब. मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा जॉब करना था जो फील्ड लेवल का जॉब हो, जिसमें इंटरेक्शन हो और जिसमें एक सेटिस्फेक्शन मिले. तो फूड सिक्योरिटी में अगर फूड ग्रेन्स टाइप का जॉब करके थोड़ा इसमें सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है.
I think it is better to avoid this answer because if you tell like this, my next question will be why you don't like banking.
यस सर.
इसको इससे बाहर आना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. ट्राई कर लो. Why?
यस सर.
Why you don't like banking?
सर बैंकिंग पीपल से जब भी इंटरेक्ट होता है, दे विल टेल इट्स वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, स्ट्रेसफुल, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी कम टू नो.
अच्छा, इसका अलावा the answer can be like this, that my father has been is a branch manager of SBI, and
Yes, sir.
most of the times he is appearing to be stressed, maybe right or wrong. आप ऐसा reason बोलना है. He is appearing
Yes,
to be
sir.
stressed because of the nature of the work. Not that it is not good, but the pressure comes from different parts of different aspects, like say head office, politicians, staff members, and all that. And it is not that I don't want to take up responsibility. हमने सोचा it is good to work in an organization like FCI, which is directly linked to the life of the individuals. Not that banking is not linked. FCI is directly linked to the life of the people because we are giving food. We are supplying public distribution system, food supply to the people. So इसी वजह से हमको an organization like FCI may be good. I thought.
Yes,
That is why I thought. Then the next question
Yes.
can be, have you applied for AG3 post and all that?
No, sir, I did not.
You did not apply. Why? You
No,
thought
sir.
you have to become only a manager and not AG3?
No, sir.
Correct?
Actually, I did not know about that vacancy, sir.
That's good. It's a good answer. I wasn't aware about that. That is why. Now they can tease you by asking, are you applying for other public sector undertakings?
Sir, yeah, I appeared for other exams also, like NABARD I have appeared, and banking exams like IBPS and SBI I have appeared.
Very good. Did you succeed up to interview level in any of them?
No, sir, I could only qualify prelims.
Very excellent. Good answer. Now tell me, you are an economics graduate or economics student,
Yes,
political science student also. So what is the present position of politics in our country? Evaluate the present political situation prevalent in our country.
sir,
Very tough question.
multi-party.
Very tough question.
Yes,
I don't know how you are going to manage. Come on, try.
sir, I will try to analyze.
Yeah.
Sir, India follows multi-party system. So, but there are two major parties, BJP and Congress, which will be coming to power one after the other. Current ruling party is BJP, and this time most of their members are like leaving the parties, so it is creating a turmoil kind of situation. So, like they are trying to just secure the members to gain like position in the house.
This question will certainly come for you because one, you are a political science student.
Yes,
Two, Rajasthan is in political turmoil.
yes, sir.
So this question will certainly come to you, and you must be able to manage that aptly. I think you managed it well, and I'm happy about the point you said about multi-party democracy and all, and also these two parties are the major powers. These 2 points
Yes,
are really good. Now that's good. Now, many
yes,
people do not go for voting in the elections. What is your view
yes.
regarding this?
सर गवर्नमेंट क्या करता है कि मैक्सिमाइज वोटिंग को करने के लिए वोटिंग को हॉलीडे पे रखता है और वोटिंग के दिन को हॉलीडे रखता है ताकि पीपल जाएं, लेकिन बट पीपल गिव प्रेफरेंस टू देयर पर्सनल वर्क्स लाइक जॉब काइंड ऑफ थिंग, दे विल डू दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, और मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर इग्नोरेंट आल्सो, दे विल थिंक दैट वो ये सोचते हैं कि कोई सा भी पार्टी आए वो हमारा भला नहीं करेगा, सो पीपल थिंक इन दैट वे, दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट गो टू वोटिंग.
In fact, government declares holiday also. On the voting day, they
Yes,
declare holiday so that
yes,
people do not abstain themselves. Did you exercise your franchise?
yes, sir. I have voted.
Acha. How many times? 2 times or 1 time?
Sir, one time only.
1 time only. Good. How old are you?
Sir, 25.
25. Good. Excellent. Now, tell me why FCI should give priority for Sharma and take you. And this name is quite common, you know. That is why, you know, I asked you, are you this boy, that boy? This name is very
Yes.
famous. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me why FCI should select Sharma.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's Shubham.
Sorry, Shubham. Shubham Sharma,
Yes,
na?
sir.
No, only
Shubham
Shubham.
Meena.
Shubham Meena. Yeah. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Shubham Meena.
Not
I'm
in
very
Shubham.
sorry. Yeah. I'm
Not in
confusing with that Sharma. Yeah, Shubham Meena.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why?
Yes.
And this Meena name is more or less a girl's name in South India. I don't know what
Yes,
it
sir,
is.
I know.
In North India, Meena लड़की का नाम होता है?
Yes,
नहीं.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Many people have taken me as girl just because of that surname.
Yeah. शुभम मीना बोलने से तो नॉर्मली वो लड़की का भी समझेगा.
Yes, sir.
Did you ask your parents why they kept this name for you?
Sir, it's surname here. It's a caste.
अच्छा,
Meena
surname
a
is
caste.
Meena. Your surname
sir.
is Meena. अब आप लोग का
Yes,
फैमिली
sir.
में मीना आएगा.
Yes, sir. Everyone.
Oh, मीना अग्रवाल ना क्या? No. There
Sir,
must be
Sir,
normally
Meena is scheduled tribe.
scheduled tribe. अच्छा. Good.
Yes.
Excellent. Very nice. So Meena. Now I understand about Meena. Yeah, 1 minute. Just a minute. I don't know who's calling.
Yes.
Hello. சொல்லுங்க. ஆமாமா, எங்க வீட்டு வாசல்ல லைட் எரியல. அந்த ஆமா, அதாவது அந்த வேப்ப மரம் மேல பாருங்க. Yeah, you know, this is about complaint given for light, you know. The light was not
Okay.
burning, common light. So
Is it fine now?
No, I think they will attend to it. They will attend
Okay,
civic
okay.
services. Yeah. Now we were stuck up in which question? Can you remind me?
Why FCI should hire me?
Why FCI should hire Shubham Meena?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have performed very well in academics. It clearly shows my dedication, hard work, and commitment. Sir, I like to work in team. So that's another point. Sir, my father is in SBI Bank, so I have knowledge of finance also. And sir, I have stayed in Delhi also, so I have good communication skill in both English as well as in Hindi. So it will definitely work to deal with laborers and other staff. And sir, we know that most of the work of FCI has been done online, like it has to be done on computer. So I have done course in diploma in computer, so it will definitely going to help in my work.
Acha, you are done diploma in computer.
Yes, sir.
Hello. டிசில்வா ரோடு எதிர்க்க அந்த பிள்ளையார் கோவிலுக்கு எதிர்க்க ரோடு வருது பாருங்க. இல்ல பிள்ளையார் கோவில் எதிர்க்கா இருக்க ரோட்ல வந்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ரோடு முடியிற இடத்துல ஸ்ரீ பாலாஜி பிளாட்ஸ் இருக்குது. நடேசன் காலனி, தேசிகா ரோடு இதெல்லாம் சேர்ற இடம். அது வாசல்ல பாலாஜி பிளாட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அது வாசல்ல இருக்குது. நான் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஆபீஸ் வேலையில இருக்கேன். நீங்க பாருங்க. Yeah, I had to tell him that. Now, yeah. So you have you have been in Delhi, and you say that any other reason that makes you more suitable for this post? Because you know this FCI post, you might have seen nowadays, even engineers, say so many people are applying. Engineers, postgraduates, they are all applying for this post. Amidst that, in what way are you more suitable for this?
Sir, this I have applied for manager depot profile. So उसके लिए I don't think there is any expertise is needed for that. Just basic graduation, basic common sense, उससे काम चलता है. अगर expertise needed होता तो वो अपना जो notification होता है उसमें जरूर mention रहता.
Now tell me, what do you think are the responsibilities of an FCI manager?
Yes, sir. FCI depot manager is the overall in charge of a depot of a single godown, or he may be given the charge of 2 or 3 godowns at a time. Sir, he has to like hire the laborers according to contract labor act 1970, and he has to allocate duties to them. He has to allocate duties to departmental staff also. He has to like keep the safety of the food grains in good condition. He has to like liaison with other parts like railway also. Then सर दूसरा जो डिपार्टमेंट का लोग होता है क्वालिटी चेक मूवमेंट, उनके साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करना जरूरी होता है ताकि हम फूड को सेफली मूवमेंट करवा सकें और लोगों तक पहुंचा सकें.
Correct. So how many zonal offices are there in our FCI?
Sir, there are 5 zonal offices of FCI.
And how many regional offices are there?
Sir, regional offices in North Zone there are 10 regional offices.
Okay.